Pero di ba they're trying to sue them para stop it? Anong nangyari?
Well,
Can they get their job back or
well,
what?
because it's hard to say. Because if the job is not needed anymore, why have it?
Correct. Yes.
Diba?
What? Kasi
If other private companies like Google or Meta or Amazon could do that, why can't the government do it?
okay. So
For
itong
more
tanong
efficiency.
ko, okay. Why can't ang ano ko naman kasi very sudden kasi marami
yun
may
ang
mga
masakit.
pamilya to, may mga mortgage, may mga
Binibigyan yata ng 8 months severance pay eh.
by
8
severance
months.
pay.
Oo,
Okay.
oo.
Bakit hindi sila magkaroon ng parang attrition? Yung para bang kasi yung mga ibang nagre-retire, di ba? Wag nang mag-hire tapos i-ano sila i-reallocate
Yeah.
dun sa mga ibang agency na kailangan.
Yeah.
Why can't they do that?
And ang nakikita nga parang there's just so much worker talaga that you don't need a lot of
Hindi
this.
kasi sinibak nila yung Department of Education on a federal level.
Isa nila yan. Education, even the IRS department, even the CIA, even the everything. I mean, it's
OMG.
sobra talaga. But